Lock a discussion forum to turn it into a read-only archive for your learners. This tutorial shows how to prevent the creation or modification of posts by locking a discussion forum. You can lock discussions at the forum and topic levels. For this example, we will lock an existing discussion forum. Click the context menu of the forum you want to lock. Then select Edit Forum. Navigate to the Restrictions tab. Then navigate to Locking Options. By default, forums and topics are unlocked. You can lock forums at any time by selecting Lock Forum, or you can select Unlock Forum for a specific date range. This allows learners to still view the forum, but not engage with it outside of the defined range. For this example, select Lock Forum. Then, click Save and Close. The locked icon will display to indicate the forum is now read-only. When a learner views a locked forum, all existing posts are visible, and they no longer have access to create a post. Lock a discussion forum to turn it into a read-only archive for your learners.